everyone, how are you? Yes, I'm videotaping from my closet right now because my house is really busy, so I don't really have a choice. But I just wanted to come on here to explain the project that we're going to be doing that's due April 20th. Okay, so I'm going to also upload the instructions on Microsoft Word so you can see it after this video, but I wanted to give you a visualization of what I'm looking for. So you're going to be required to write 2 poems now that we've started poetry. I'm going to give you an option of 5 different types of poems, and I give you examples of how to write those 5 poems. You're going to pick 2 of them. You're going to come up with your own. You can either type it or you can write it out on paper as such, like this. So for example, this is a concrete poem. This is one of the types of poems that you can write. So what you do for a concrete poem is you pick a shape. It can be a dog, a cat, a tree, a rainbow, and then you write a poem in the shape of the object. It sounds really difficult, but it's not. If you actually just draw out the shape and write the poem along the lines and then erase those lines, it actually is very simple. What do you write in the poem? You would want to use adjectives to describe the object that you're drawing. Okay, so for example, for a rainbow, I wrote red, sweet as honey, bitter, fluttery as fall, still as stone, anything that kind of comes to mind when I'm talking about a rainbow. So that's one of the types of poems that you could do. Another type is called If I Were. So you'll notice on the Microsoft Word document that I gave you, there are already lines. You just have to fill in the blanks. So here's my example here. Everything that's written in black is already there for you. You just need to fill in the blanks, which is what I did in the purple. Okay, so if you're gonna do a poem that looks like this, I do expect you to write out the words that I give you and then just fill in the blanks on your own. Okay, and there are 3 other types of poems that I didn't do, but they're very self-explanatory if you look at the directions. Yeah, so I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to tell you. So yeah, anyway, you can do it on your own time. It's due April 20th. You can upload it whenever. Again, you could type it out. You can draw it on paper, take a picture and upload it, whatever you want to do. But you need 2 of the 5 poems that I give you. Okay, so you only need to complete 2 at your own time, on your own pace. I will check in with you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And following this video, I will upload a Microsoft Word document that explains the instructions as well as gives you examples of all the types of poems that you could do. Okay? All right, miss you guys.